how to create a trial balance. You need to pass the two main general entries. Now you can easily see if you want to check any sub account total. Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Aslan and you're watching our YouTube channel Accounting Hunter. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create a trial balance. I hope you have watched our last video in which we make a general ledger, general entries, and how to pass general entries. We have created charts of accounts. I hope you have watched that videos. If you didn't watch that video, please go and watch that first, and then come on this video and watch how to create a trial balance. I'm just going to let you know how a few new entries that I have passed over here. In the last count, we didn't enter any entry about the equity. So I have passed a new entry for the equity and then assets, liabilities, inventory purchase. New inventory is purchased over here on the 16th of May, and one new entry for the sale is entered. So the concept actually discussed over here for the sale, whenever you sold anything to the person, you need to pass the two main general entries. The first one, you need to book the sale. Over here you can see we have booked the sale. Cash is debit. For example, you have 10 registers to sold, or you have something to sold, and whenever you sold those items, you need to book the cash. As you receive the cash, so you need to debit the cash. For example, you receive the 1500, you need to debit the cash and then credit the sale. That is actually your income. If you credit the sale, and what you should need to do with your inventory account or your stock or your purchases that you have previously booked as a purchase or inventory. So those inventories or the purchases needs to be removed. For example, uh, now we need to enter the cost of goods sold, those items that are sold. For example, over here we have mentioned that 150 units are sold at 10 rupees, and 150 units that were purchased previously at $5. Now we need to enter the 150 into 5, that is 750, and we need to credit the inventory. It should be inventory purchase or stock, whatever you have debited. Over here you can see in this on the purchase of inventory, we purchase it over here. We debit the inventory. Now we are going to credit the inventory. Over here we have purchased the inventory. Now over here we are going to sell the inventory. That's why we are so these are the two basic new entries. Now let's go to ledger. We are going to make a little bit changes in this ledger account. First of all, you can see uh, we have created a slicer over here. I hope you can see. So by using this slicer, you can choose whichever any account you want to change inventory account. So you can see the inventory balances over here, owner equity, rent, whatever. So all these ledgers are automated right now. Now, so I'm going to write the name of ledger account over here. What will be the name? Whenever you select from this sub account title, sub account slicer, then it should be this sub account name. Just press enter, and I'm going to do some formatting for those. Okay, change color. It depends on you if you want to change color, otherwise it's okay. Okay, we need to enter a new column. The shortcut key for entering a new column is Alt H I C. It will be inserted a new column. Now, let's reduce its width for the better presentation. You can change its name if you want. And one more thing at the end you need to do, you need to just remove its grid line in the back view. I will let you know how to remove the grid line. Okay, so over here you can see the main accounts, assets, expenses, equity, liability, and the income. These are the two main accounts. These are sub accounts: cash, furniture, inventory, and office supplies, rent, office supplies, and cost of goods sold. All these are the expenses. So for the better presentation, just select any cell inside the pivot table Go to the design, select the subtotal. If you selected the show all the subtotals, you can see right now the subtotals are just for the sub accounts and the main accounts. All the lines show the subtotal. Over here you can see this is also subtotal. All the lines are showing subtotals for all the cash values. Again select it, remove the subtotals from here. We don't need the subtotals of each cash item. We just need the total of the each sub account. For example, we need the total of the cash form. What's the total for the cash form? We need to check it. The total for the cash form. And we need to check the total for the inventory account. We need to check the total of the furniture account, as so on. And if you don't want to check any total, you can remove this. Second thing you need to do, just go to the report layout, a blank line after each item. So we need to enter it after each item. It will be selected in this date cell, as we have selected the date column. So now I'm going to remove this and then again select it in the cash in the sub account item. Or if you just want it in the main account, then you can do. I'm going to select this one and now select the insert line break items. So why is it doing that? We will check it again. Right now, so the basic, you can do the formatting whatever you want from here. So the design tab, you can select any other thing that you want. So you can see the total of the debit and the credit is 0. Now we're going to create a trial balance from here. What you need to do, just go and right click on the ledgers tab, copy, move a copy, select create a copy, and then press OK. You can see a new ledger 2 is formed. Copy is created over here. In this copy, just select anywhere in the pivot table, go to the design tab, analyze tab, and now select this list items. We don't need date over here, we don't need the main accounts over here, we don't need the description in this account. Okay, we don't need the sub accounts. If you need, you can use this, but we don't have any need of this slicer over here right now. I'm going to write the trial balance over here, the name of trial balance. Okay, it's trial balance for the year 2023. Now we are going to do some formatting for this one. Select the middle alignment. You can change its color if you want. You can bold this one, or you can just for the presentation purpose, nothing else. And now I'm going to select this border line below, go to the borders, and then select the bottom border. Press OK. Okay. So this is the trial balance account. Now, which balances you need to choose? For the cash, you need to select the balance account. Balance is the 78250, and the total of the debits and total of the credits is mentioned over here. For the furniture, 500, and for office supplies, you need to select this balance column, and you can see the trial balances tally the sum of debit and the sum of credit is 0, as we have entered in the general entry. So it's totally automated. If you want to insert or use the slicer from here, you can use it. For the cash, it's just show the cash item, cost of goods sold, furniture, inventory, and whichever you want to use. All those items will be accessible. Okay. We have just reduced its size that fits to the screen. Now you can easily see. If you want to check any sub account total, The negative values mean its nature is credit. It doesn't mean it's to make this format as an accounting format. So select this cell, go to the number, home tab number, and then select the currency format. We are going to use some formatting for this. You can also select the format from here. Okay. So this is how you can create a trial balance, and if you want to make more formatting to this account, you can do as you want. In next video, we're going to make an automated profit and loss account, and then balance sheet, and then trial and then our cash flow. So I hope you have liked this video and you learned how to create a trial balance. Watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos.
Audio Jungle.